Lucas's Big Dream. From Rio to New York. Lucas was a young man from Rio de Janeiro. He loved music. Every day he played his DJ sets at small parties in his neighborhood. His dream was big. He wanted to play music in New York City, the city of lights, music, and dreams. One day Lucas got an email. It said, "Congratulations! You are invited to perform at the New York Music Festival." Lucas was excited. He jumped up and shouted, "Yes!" But after a few seconds, he stopped. There was a problem. Lucas didn't speak English well. How will I talk to people in New York? He thought. How will I order food or ask for directions? Lucas called his friend Anna. She had lived in Canada and spoke English very well. "Anna, I need your help," he said. "I have 3 months to learn English." Anna smiled. "No problem, Lucas. We will practice every day, step by step." Anna taught Lucas how to say, "Hello, how are you?" "My name is Lucas, nice to meet you." Lucas repeated after her again and again. At first, his pronunciation was funny. Anna laughed, but Lucas didn't give up. Anna and Lucas went to a tourist spot in Rio. There was an American restaurant. Lucas looked at the menu. Everything was in English. He tried to order. "I want 1 cheese, big burger, please." The waiter smiled. Lucas felt a little shy, but Anna said, "Good job. You tried, and that is the first step." Lucas joined an English speaking group online. At first, he was nervous. His hands were shaking, but he said, "Hi, I'm Lucas. I am from Brazil. I like music." People smiled and welcomed him. Lucas felt happy. "I can do this," he thought. Lucas flew to New York. It was cold, and the streets were full of tall buildings and yellow taxis. At the hotel, he said, "Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Lucas." The receptionist smiled and gave him his key. Lucas felt proud. His hard work was paying off. On stage, Lucas looked at the crowd. People from many countries were there. He took the microphone and said, "Hello, New York. My name is Lucas. Let's dance together." The crowd cheered. His English was simple, but it was clear. And when the music started, everyone danced. Lucas smiled. His dream had come true, and he did it in English. Moral of the story: learning English is like music. Practice every day, and soon you will speak with confidence, just like Lucas.